Welcome to the day 5 of the 10 days challenge that we are going in. This is the video for anybody who wanted to grow their business, or an aspiring entrepreneur who wanted to get into the entrepreneur journey. This videos, the series of 10 days challenge videos will help you to get a better clarity so that you take the better decision in your growth journey. So if you're not watched any of the previous days videos, I request you to pause this video for some time, go and watch the day 2, 3, 4 videos, so which gives you more clarity on where we are heading. So if you're not watched the video and you come and see this video, you will not able to connect what we are talking in this video, because those 3 days are just like a foundation for you, where from the prospect level, like the person who does not aware that your brand exists or your business exists, you made a contact with them, so he taken some action. So this is from the prospect stage to the lead stage we are moving on. If you're not aware that what we have done previously and we are watching this video for a day 5, so I'll advise you to stop this video, go back and watch those videos. So what we covered, and it will help you to connect the dots from the pre-sale activity to the current sale activity that we are talking. So if you already watched, this is like, I want to recap of those 3 days, and then I'll continue with the current day so that you'll connect the dots well, and we can nurture the lead and the tracking system. So let me share my screen. Okay, so this is what we discussed in our 3 days, where we gone ahead with identifying our customer, ideal customer, and we done message to this market or the ideal customer. In the third day, we discussed about what are the medium that we are we can use in a better efficient manner for them to take an action. So outcome of what 3 days activity we done is to make the prospect or the person who is not aware that your business exists to take an action, either to give a call, depending on your sales process. So if you want to close the from prospect to lead, you want them to call you back for an appointment, this is the outcome you can set in your pre-sale phase. Or if you want them to take an action, to give their phone number or email ID so that you call or you fix an appointment and then close the sales for the prospect or the lead. So in this phase, the person, like the prospect, is given their number, name and phone number and the email ID. They will become your lead. So this day 5 and day 6 will only talk about if you got already lead, so what else you can do with the lead so that the sales process is easy for you to close. So in day 5, this is the day 5 we are talking about tracking and nurturing. So when I talk with so many business owners, they do not have this tracking or nurturing. They just post like a Facebook ad, they get the contact number, they try to call the lead, and lead say, okay, I'm interested, let me check, or they have the other priority which lives take over. So they will not do the follow of the of the leads to build the authority with them. So this is the important phase for your business from the marketing side. So once you got the lead, so in sales process, first thing is, how do you track? How do you track the customer name, phone number, email ID, either in Excel, or better way of tracking is using the CRM system that will track and update you, will give you the dashboard, it will give you the weekly summary so that you can take a better decision. That's what we are talking about. So we are talking about tracking either in Excel, or if you can invest or small amount, you can get a better CRM system. So it is an automatic, like you are moving your business from manual to the automation. So use this system. So once you got the lead, so in general terms, in business, what happens is, not all the leads, if you got 100 leads, there are more chances that not 100 will 100 lead will never convert. So out of which 3% will have an urgent need, or the like they want to proceed with the paying money and getting you like getting as a customer. But what happens like other 7%, like other 97%? So this is where the nurturing phase will help you to convert those leads. So in general, 3% are ready to pay you, another 7% are ready to pay, but they want some question, or they have some clarity that they wanted to discuss before they could pay the money. And another 30% are the leads. Okay, they have the need, but they need some nurturing to build, like you build your authority, they have other priorities. After you start promoting, after you nurture the leads, like 3 days 4 days, you do a small follow-up, not on a call, but you can use the email marketing system, or nowadays it's WhatsApp, it's coming up with automation. So you can use these two systems where you nurture the leads for 7, 8, 9 days, depending on the value that you provide to the leads who can become your customer. So once you build this authority, what happens is in the nurturing phase, any day or any time he decided to proceed with the buying, you are the first option for him. So you have to see that first important thing is always track the lead in either in Excel or in CRM system. Once the tracking is done, start putting email marketing system in place, so that the lead or the person from prospect to the lead stage who moved in will have a chance for like you will have a chance to build your authority for that person. So this is called nurture, to build your authority phase. So once this two is done, the next phase is always easy, because you already created the need in him, so that once he comes to the sales process, it's easy for the salesperson to talk, get into the real problem, and give the solution and convert these leads into a paying customer. So hope this given you clarity on how to track and how to nurture the lead. So tomorrow we'll discuss about the sales process. So thank you again. Have a nice day.